everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this full face of makeup right here. I wanted to do a get ready with me today because it has been quite some time and I tried a bunch of new products that I recently got from PR and also that I purchased. So after I did my eyes, I got like this whole alien celestial vibe, so I decided to do some space buns and throw on this alien gear. So if you guys want to get ready with me today, then please keep watching. To start off today's look, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color light beige. I got this huge, amazing press kit. Jackie Aina partnered up with Too Faced to create a bunch of new shades for this foundation, and I actually really like this foundation the couple times that I did use it, so I'm excited to try it again today. So congratulations to Jackie. I know I'm a little late, but I finally got through all of my PR boxes and I was super excited when I opened this one. I'm gonna apply that all over my face. So normally when I film like a makeup look, I have some sort of like a body bronzer on, so my colors are usually a lot darker, but I wanna give myself a tan for the weekend, so I'm not gonna apply like the instant one. I think this color is honestly like pretty perfect for me. So I literally just got out of the shower, so my hair is still wet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. I really wanted to try like that wet hair look, so maybe I'll try that, but we shall see. To contour, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. For my nose, since I like a little bit more coverage, I like the Charlotte Tilbury one to use around my face. It's really easy to blend and it's like very lightweight, which is nice. But on my nose, I'm gonna take the classic LA Girl Beautiful Bronze. It's a little bit like of a thicker consistency and I feel like it definitely holds out a little bit longer. And to blend the contour in, I'm using my Morphe M436 and we're just gonna blend that in. We use a very, very light hand because you don't want it to go in blotchy. So before I blend my nose, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I also got this press kit from Tarte. This is the creaseless concealer. I believe it's just repackaged. I don't like to go too light, so I'm gonna try light, medium, neutral. Should be fine. Yeah, that's perfect. So it feels very like thick, like the consistency feels really thick, which I like. So I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. I haven't worn makeup in like, I honestly don't even know how long, so I'm going all out today. All out. It definitely makes my skin look super hydrated. It's a thicker consistency than the Shape Tape for sure. But once we're done, I'll let you know how I feel about it. I'm like very picky with concealers. I look really scary right now. I'm gonna apply a little bit down the sides to blend out the nose contour. Literally look like a glazed donut right now. I gotta wipe this off my lips, I'm like scared. So I'm gonna use the Ben Nye Cameo Powder. I'm gonna pour it in my hand. Just blend out the creases. And also my forehead because it gets super oily, and honestly that concealer was like the shiniest concealer I've ever seen. I can't handle it. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Granite. I'm just gonna buff away the powder, the extra powder. I'm grabbing the lightest shade from the Shade and Light palette. I'm just going very lightly over those contour lines. And I'm gonna bronze up my face because I'm looking light with the middle shade. I'm taking a little bit of this lightest shade with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eyes just to brighten them a little bit. And then with this like peachy shade, I'm just gonna go over. I'm taking a little bit of my, I have like nothing left, the Queen of Hungry Mist. Enough for one last time. That thing lasted me pretty long though. It's really expensive, but it smells nice. So next I'm applying some brow powder. This is also Granite by Anastasia. And then for eyes, I'm gonna be using the Norvina palette. As soon as I opened this, I was like, I cannot wait to try it. It is so gorgeous. I love all the shades, and honestly, Anastasia palettes are my favorite. So I'm excited to try this today. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go with, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it and see. But there are so many colors that are speaking to me, so let's dig on in. With a large blending brush, I'm picking up the color Love and a little bit of Incense, and I'm gonna blend that right into my crease. Next, I'm picking up the color Soul, and I'm gonna apply that right into the inner corner. I'm gonna do like an ombre on the lid because I really wanted to try a bunch of the colors. And then I'm picking up the color Base. I'm gonna apply that right over that purple just to lighten it a drop. Whenever I apply shadows, I always like go in. I mean, I already did this eye, but I always go in and then I will go over all the shades once I'm done. So next I'm picking up the color Celestial, and I'm putting that right next to it. Then I'm grabbing Rose Gold, which is one of my favorites out of this palette. And then next to that, I'm gonna pick up Summer. And then I'm wiping my brush off, and I'm just gonna kind of blend all of them together so it fades nicely. And again, like I said, I go over all of them in the end. I'm grabbing a smaller blending brush and the color Passion, and that's just gonna go right in the outer crease. Going back in with this brush, I'm just gonna slowly blend. Now that I have my placement for all of the shadows, I'm gonna go back in and go over all of the shades. And Summer. A little bit more with Soul and Base. So I'm gonna do the shimmer ones first so I can wipe the brush off. And then the same thing on the lower lash line. I must say, this Norvina palette is amazing. This might be one of my favorite eye makeup looks I've ever done, honestly. And for lashes, I'm using the Lily Lashes, the Faux Miami. I'm gonna apply some mascara. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of this Urban Decay Psychedelic Sister to go with the whole purple theme. So I just quickly curled my hair off camera. I have like a million tutorials of me curling my hair, so I will link one below if you guys want to see how I did it, but I didn't want to bore you. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I'm gonna try a different hairstyle today. I kept saying the word celestial, so I kind of want to try some space buns today. I might not keep them, depending on how they look, but that's what I think I'm going to go with today. I'm going to bronze up a little bit more, because I want like a really bright white shimmer. I'm going to go in with my palette, and I'm just going to go over the inner corners a bit, make them a little sparklier. And to highlight, I'm going to use this shade. Highlight my nose. For blush, I'm going to use a couple from this palette. I feel like no look is complete without blush, in my opinion. I feel like because my eyes are a little extra, I'm going to try Birdie by ColourPop. Nah. BFF2, which is like almost gone. ColourPop liners, they honestly don't last long, but they have such great colors and they're so affordable. That's why I'm like love-hate with them. So I'm actually gonna fill in my lips completely, and I'm gonna use, because it reminds me of this look, the Becca Amethyst gloss. It's so pretty. Okay, so now for hair, I'm gonna try something a little bit different. So I'm just gonna grab like a tiny little section of hair. My hair is really long, so I can do a little bit of like a smaller section. And I'm just gonna make a messy bun. My hair is really long, so I just kind of like wrap it almost in a bun first before I use the hair tie. So, and it's okay if they're messy, we're gonna pin them. Imagine. Okay, so. So I have my Way Volumizing Hairspray. I'm gonna spray a little bit onto the buns and also my hair. I feel like Minnie Mouse. I don't know how I feel. So I'm gonna go put a shirt on and see how I feel about this hairstyle. I just wanted to do it because I just felt like an alien today. I'll be right back. Now that I found my official alien gear, I feel like a little highlighter will finish this look off. I'm gonna use this purpley one from my palette. So this is the final result. I would have to say overall I love how all of the new products performed, except for the concealer. I don't know how I feel about it yet. It looks good, but I almost feel like I like the Shape Tape better. So I'm gonna have to try it again to really give you my honest opinion, but I absolutely love how these eyes came out. I feel like this might be my favorite look of all time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and click that bell for post notifications. I love you guys so much, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.